Be present in over 150 experiences covering every genre imaginable. Virtual Presence Productions.
Alright. They did not have boxes, bags big enough to put this in, so they just handed it to me. Don't get mugged or robbed. And I should mention, easily the worst launch experience of my adult life and young life. They had 5 of these units in the entire state, and there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of us in line. And they only had 2 controllers in the whole state. So I was third. I guilted the 2 guys in front of me to give me what was actually Nathy's set of controllers. This guy from Germany was buying it for him and Nathy, and I was like, don't you fucking dare. Those are mine. And he let me have them. So sorry, Nathy. And then the worst is they got 2 of the headsets, and I got number 3. 4 and 5 were left for the other 3 people. And they fucked up, and they gave it to a guy that just walked in. The guy didn't, like, the people working there got it all wrong. And so it was ugly. It was kind of not good. But I said, listen, if this doesn't work out for me, dude, I'll sell you this at cost. I will not, I'm not trying to make any money off this. I think that this is going to be a keeper. As I've done more research, it is a lot better for what I do. It's pretty than the Apple Vision Pro was. Apple Vision Pro was, as many of you know, a massive disappointment for me. Where's the cushiony thing? They didn't give me, where's the cushion? I don't get the cushion. This doesn't have any cushion. Here's the battery. Ooh, here's the cushions. Ooh, cushions. You gotta have cushions. Okay, so you got, these are the optional light blockers, which I edit on these without the light blockers so I can see, like, my hands and shit, which is nice. This is really light. Wow, that is super light. Man, I am stunned at how light that is. Do I want slim or do I want big? I feel like I'm kind of big. I don't know, I might be slim. Am I slim or am I thick? I feel a little thick lately. What the fuck? Okay, let's see. Go. Are you laughing at me? I do feel a little thick, but that's alright. Let's see. Oh my god, this is I think it's a thickness. It's not okay. I think I might go back to slim. Dude, these are nice. These are all right. These are all right. I don't know what is the point of an unboxing in VR180 for something you can't really see. I don't really understand. I know people will click on it, but I feel like I should just stop what I'm doing and then like plug it in and then tell you what it's like. But I can just tell you, first impressions, holy God, this is so much lighter than the Apple Vision Pro, and it feels like the Quest. I have not done my homework and looked up any of the stats, and to be perfectly honest, I'm a little stunned that this was even released. I thought they were announcing it yesterday, and then all of a sudden they're like, and you can buy it now, and I was like, what? And then I bought it. And got an in-store pickup, and then I got there and they're like, you can't in-store pick this up, and I'm like, but it says. They're like, nope. So luckily I was in line enough to get one of the only ones. So sweet. All right, let's see how slim it is. I don't like that you can't turn it up. Oh yeah, I'm definitely slim. Oh yeah, because now they're closer. This is nice. Now the only thing that sucks about this is that you do need power at all times. And this. Holy shit. There's no power cable. Oh my god. Am I missing something? Oh, I'm missing all that. Look at that. Would you have thought the cable was underneath there? Oh, okay. That was about to be really disappointing. And the daisy chaining batteries I use for my camera into this, and hoping it all works. Oh wow, it immediately brought up some stuff. Okay. All right. It's showing me a demonstration which is too low. Switch the silicone slim cushion size, adjuster for better focus. Already did that. Now it's telling it to me in Korean, I believe. Ooh, Spanish. Ooh. All right, so this is pretty comparable to the Apple Vision Pro, to tell you the truth, surprisingly. So my first impressions are the field of view is not great. Oh my god, the quality goes up to 8K even on the ones that oh, that's fucking badass, dude. Okay. What is the Quest FOV? Because that is not as good as the Quest. So the resolution doesn't really matter. Now if I take it off, it's still playing. Or was still playing. Let me see. Because I gotta be able to put this on people. I think having it open really fucks with your idea of what the FOV is. And when I put it back on, eyes are too far from the display. How could they possibly be any closer? What the fuck am I supposed to do? Got turn off, fit tips. Shit. So when I take it off, it completely takes you out of whatever you were in. Alright, well if I put it really close it is. Oh, that's the problem. Well, how the hell? Okay, that's right. Oh, and it's... Okay. It has the spatial audio. So my ass is singing right here. And if I turn my head, it's still singing. And that's without having a special microphone. That's a huge deal. The biggest problem, though, is to get your eyes close to this, you got to put this fucker way up here. Except now it's not centering correctly. Wow, that's off. That is the center. I want it to be here. I hit the center thing, and it stays there. Oh well, it doesn't really matter. The 8K looks fucking good, though. And you can only see it on their fucking headset. On the Quest, it won't show this as 8K. I have the slim one on. Okay, if you take that thing off, looks like it's modding time for me. Yep, that's what it is. Oh yeah. Wow. Oh. I had doubled it. That's what I did. Okay. How did I double the things? Then what the fuck are these for? Alright guys, so upload your shit like you used to. It's not showing up in the Quest because Google's being an asshole and making it only show up in their headset. Man, I don't know. It is definitely 8K, but I feel like there's something wrong with the projection of it. I mean, it looks pretty good. What up, Max? Oh, I can't watch this. Alright, Pete. Alright, so if I take it off, put it down, I gotta get the other headset. Because I can't really tell right now. And still, no matter what, when you put it on somebody else's head, you can't start a video and have it just work. And that's a problem. At least for what I do, you know. This is also 1,000 times more comfortable because I've kind of modded it to be. Okay, the blacks are obviously better in the micro OLED one. Where am I? But yeah, this is just so much easier. Alright, this looks really good. Alright, I see how that looks. Already more cumbersome. Okay, so the OLED difference, clear, but it's a less field of view. I mean, the colors are a little better for sure. It's identical with less field of view. That's all there is to it. I mean, that's just what it is. That's fucking annoying. It is pretty annoying. I mean, obviously it's nice. The AR looks good, but it's definitely less field of view. Didn't take long. Come so very great. Ooh. Alright, oh, I'm not on that one. Alexa, what's the field of view on a Quest 3?
From uploadfor.com. For comparison, Quest 3 has a field of view of less than 110 degrees times 96 degrees, while Quest 3S has less than 96 degrees times 96 degrees, and human vision is very roughly 200 degrees times 135 degrees, depending on the shape of a person's face.
Okay, well, they're saying they're the same, but I'm here to tell you that it's not true. So for my purposes, this is tough. Alright, well, I mean, my shit just looks really good on the Quest 3, dude. Like, well, shit. I mean, if you're doing this for video, or virtual desktop, which is the other thing I was going to use it for, Quest 3 with bubble strap is better. Yeah, I mean, obviously I see the difference with the micro OLED, but people are so stupid about that. Like, it doesn't really matter once you're into the video. You know, you can only compare it if you compare it like this, but once you're in it, you would never know. The field of view is less on this. Field of view is a big deal. It was way less when I had all these thick fuckers in there. Which I guess these are eyeglass glasses things, so take those out. But damn, I'm gonna have to figure out if I'm keeping this or not. Shit, do I even open these up? They're so valuable right now.
Oh, and there's a lot more of these. Please check out my other VR logs and subscribe and comment. It means the world to me.